everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Xbox One controller. So I'm just going to turn this on. Now locate the sync button on the top. So you can see the sync button right here, just hold this down. And if you hold this down, it's going to put your controller into the syncing and pairing mode. But if we continue to hold it down for about 15 seconds, our controller is going to shut off and vibrate. So you can see it vibrated and then it went ahead and shut off. So if you're having problems connecting it now, just reset it quickly. Go back over to your Xbox, your PC, your phone, or whatever. Turn on your Xbox controller. Then put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode and hold down the sync button on the Xbox. So hold down both sync buttons for about 3 seconds. Let go. And you can see both lights are now solid. So I know I went ahead and reset my controller now and it's connected. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.